You're going to have to take the market capitalization of the stock, which of course is the value of the equity. So take the share price times the number of shares outstanding. Then you have to take the market value of preference shares, if there are preference shares in the capital structure, add the market value of short and long-term debt, but subtract cash and cash equivalents. Why do I need to subtract the cash and cash equivalents? And a good way to think about it is that enterprise value is a proxy for the cost of a takeover. If I need to take over a company, I'm buying their equity, I'm buying their debt, but at the same time, I am acquiring their cash. So if they have debt on their books of 100, but they also have 20K, 100K of debt, 20K of cash, essentially, I could take that 20K of cash and repay some of the debt. So essentially what I need to look at here is not the gross debt position, but the net debt position, because some of that cash in their coffers can be used to then repay the debt. Enterprise value is particularly useful for comparing different capital structures. And by capital structures, I mean the mix between debt and equity. Some companies are all equity, some companies are 50-50s, yet other companies like LBOs, leveraged buyouts, are extremely levered. And if you just looked at the market cap, they won't really be that comparable. You want to look at enterprise value so you can compare these companies using completely different capital structures.